Next question. If x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then find the value of following expression. I know this expression. This is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. If I divide this expression by x, it becomes x minus 2 plus 1 upon x is equal to 0. Why did I find this expression by x? Because I need to find the value of this expression. So I need to make this expression in this form, x plus 1 upon x. So I divided this expression with x to get x plus 1 upon x, which is equal to 2 from here. So now I have x plus 1 upon x. I can easily get x square plus 1 upon x square. Just squaring both sides, I get x square plus 1 upon x square is 2 square. 4 minus 2 is 2. Again, squaring both sides, or sorry, I need to find x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Yes. So cubing both sides, I get this is 2 cube. A plus b whole cube, or a cube plus b cube comes out to be using the identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 a plus b. I can find the value of a cube plus b cube. This is x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Then it is a plus b whole cube, that is 2 cubes minus 3 times ab. A into b is x into 1 upon x into a plus b. A plus b is x plus 1 upon x. So it becomes 8 minus 3 times this is get cancelled. Plus 1 upon x is given me as 2. So 8 minus 6 is, so from here x plus 1 upon x is x cube plus 1 upon x is x cube is also given. So I need to find the sum of squares of these values. I know x plus 1 upon x is 2. So square of x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x whole square. I need to find the value of this expression, right? X square whole square plus x cube plus 1 upon x cube whole square. So this is 2 square. Again, this is 2 square, and again, this is 2 square. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. The answer is 12. So correct answer to this question is option C.